Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's October 18th, 2022. I'm out by the western garden plot again, and so I'm going to work out here in the cold, damp, overcast day, our fall day here. Feel sorry for a lot of the people all over the country. There's a big cold snap going through right now. Some people are getting snowstorms, and we'll get some freezing temperatures and some rain and lots of overcast, but it's supposed to get warmed up later on this week, so I'm pretty happy about that. So what am I doing today? Well, one of the things you may recall, yesterday we got more of the blueberries transplanted over into our blueberry patch over here. And before that, we had gone and gotten some of the sand around the perimeter. We're getting the soil ready for in here for the thornless blackberry plants. See is up top right now, removing some of the, we use electric fence on T-posts to give the vertical support for the semi-erect thornless blackberries and all. And so some of them will be coming down in here. The rest we're going to be selling. But one of the things that make it easier to manage in this bed is having the sand. And in order to get the sand all the way around here and redo the kennel panels here, I have to get our gooseberries out. I have to deal with some of the weeds that are in here. So these are some of the gooseberry plants. They're dormant now, and so there's gooseberries all along in here, a bunch of weeds. And we'll see how far I can get today. I'll pull out the drip irrigation that is here, because this whole system has to be reworked here. And lots of weeds right here, and then more gooseberries. And we have chives in here. You can see all the chives are going to seed right now. So the chives will end up going over by the fig trees, over by the fence line, the living fence line. But I'm going to start off by getting some of the drip tape out of the way, out of the area, and then start working on my digging up these gooseberries all in here. And then we'll decide whether we're going to put an ad on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace to see if people want some of the gooseberry plants, bare root ones. They do have thorns, as you can see. They have thorns on them. So a lot of people don't like them because of the thorns. Thea doesn't like picking them because of the thorns. I guess I don't mind so much because they taste delicious. But enough said, I better get to work now.